2,500.
Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my VR flight in the A320 Neo by Flybywire in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Today I'm flying into Frankfurt and landing 07 right. I'm flying here with the Quest 3 headset and getting some really good results now with the glass cockpit. Recent improvements in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, particularly with the VR graphics, have made me make the change from Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 5 miles finals 07 right. Bringing the speed back now to landing speed 147 knots.
One thousand.
Bring the autopilot out.
Frankfurt Tower, Flybywire Lima Hotel, 9021 is 4 miles west, 1100 with whiskey to land.
Flybywire Lima Hotel 9021, Frankfurt Tower. QNH 9099er, enter left traffic runway 25 center.
Make left traffic runway 25 center, Flybywire Lima Hotel 9021.
Fifty, 40, 30, 20, retard, 5.
Flybywire Lima Hotel 9021, contact ground on 121.805.
121.805, Flybywire Lima Hotel 9021.
I hope you enjoyed my landing in the A320 in VR. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again fairly soon.